B311, which is automatic lane rotation system. So my name is Wazir Elwi and my colleague at Rohan Mansour. So to introduce our project, why we chose it. So if you have a house and you put your car in the yard, or you want to dry your clothes by sun and it's rainy outside, or it's rain after you put your clothes or your car, it will not be a good scenario. So this project, when it's detect rain or water from the sensor, it will open an umbrella and close it automatically. So, and for our sake, I'm gonna talk about generally. So we have 5 parts, 5-volt power supply used for that Arduino as a power supply, and we have a water detector, which is the sensor that will detect the raindrop. And after that, we have the servo motor, which is there, the wall. It will open and close the amplifier. After that, we have the 555 timer IC, which will generate a clock signal to control the servo motor. And finally, we have a 5-volt relay, which we will use it as a switch between 2 resistive loads that will change the angle of the motor. So, for technical details, I will let you with my colleague.
Assalamu alaikum. So as Fawaz mentioned, we have 5 main parts. We start with the power supply. This is the Arduino. We're using it as a power supply. We're connecting the other 4 parts to it. The second part is the rain sensor. When there is rain, it will output 5 volt. If there is no rain, it will output 0 volt. The third part is the 555 timer circuit. This will generate a PWM signal. We will use 2 resistive loads to change the
angle of the motor.
duty cycle, the duty cycle of the signal, the clock signal. We will switch between them by using the 5-volt relay. The input of the relay will be the rain detector, and it will switch between the 2 resistors. And the final part is the servo motor. Obviously, you can see it here. It has 3 pins, 2 for the power, and 1 from the PWM signal from the timer. While designing this project, we faced some problems. The first one being the power supply. We used 6 volt for AA batteries. We tried it, the circuit was working fine, but the servo was not switching. I don't know why, because maybe the power is not enough. We fixed it by using the Arduino as a power supply. We connected it and it was working fine. The second problem is the servo ripple. The servo was shaking in the standing position of the other angle. We solved it by using a capacitor, because you can see that it's a big capacitor. We connected it in the input voltage of the servo, and it stopped from shaking. And the other 2 problems was there's the resistance values. There's a problem we faced with the resistance values. We used the potentiometer to measure the first angle, which is a 0 angle. It was around 4.7 k ohms, and the other resistive load would be the 90 degrees. It was 30.8 k. So we removed the potentiometer and put the resistors. And the other 2 problems Fawaz will tell you about.
So not every problem we have a solution for. So like for the sensitivity of the motor, for this demo we make it more sensitive. So any raindrop, it will open the umbrella. But in real life, you can use a microcontroller with a time delay, or you can reduce the sensitivity. So not each drop in the sensor will open the umbrella. And for the speed of the motor, you will notice that the speed of the motor opening and closing the umbrella, it will be fast. But this is we think, because we cannot try it, because of our model SG90 servo motor. So other motors, we looked for their data sheet, and it was less torque, less speed than SG90. But
30 seconds.
yeah, that was that for our motor. So now for the demo, this is the rain sensor. So if we drop our water on it, it will open the umbrella. And if we, it will dry, and when the sensor dry, it will close the umbrella. And the fast problem, like I said, it was from the motor, ST9.
Okay.
فاست عشان لا تغرق السيارة.
Thank you.